So this here is my crappy Xantrex inverter charger. The charging part of it has crapped out, and as a result of that, my shore power, which comes in from up here and down to the inverter charger, then out here to the rest of the boat, is no longer passing through the AC power from shore. I went and bought a new charger, and I have it all wired up to batteries, but I need somewhere to plug it in to get AC power to send to the batteries. So what I'm going to do is wire this shore power to this handy outlet I have here, and then I'll have this outlet for shore power. There won't be any shore power going to the rest of the boat. I'll deal with that whenever I get the new inverter. I don't want to deal with rewiring everything twice, so right now I'll just have one shore power outlet, which will power the battery charger. Anything else I want to plug into it? I realize this thing is on here real crappily, so I'm going to secure it better. And I also managed to strip this freaking nut screw on the way out. So now I gotta get my Dremel and cut the screw off. Even the simplest job always becomes a pain in the ass. So the wires coming from my shore power were too thick to hook up to my GFCI outlet. So I wired in these 3 smaller gauges that will actually fit. I couldn't find a third one of these on the island, so I put 2 circle connectors on them and bolted it together and taped it up. Should be fine. Now I just gotta hook it up. Okay, all wires are on. Green to ground. Black's hot. White's neutral. Everything fits properly. I'm going to drop a wire exposure, but just a little bit. I think it's okay. Okay, then I have a couple of bolts holding this thing on, solid as a rock. Well, it's not as pretty as it could be using one of these guys, but should be working. Now just to get the marina manager to redo my shore power so it'll fit my plug. But there you go, all that pain in the ass just to do a stupid, what's it even called? Plug-in? Fuck, I don't know. Anyway, done. Now I take my battery charger, and when I actually get shore power, it'll just be plugged in right here. Get this wire somewhere better than this, and I'll have a shore power outlet and power to the battery charger. A lot of work just to something so stupid.